I had somebody ask me recently, I believe it was my guy Chef, shout out to him, hey, does sweating help beard growth? And I didn't want to dismiss the question and just throw a no at him because I've never really heard that said before or really directly addressed it. So I wanted to sit and think about it. I wanted to look into it and research some different factors, and I do believe I have a pretty good answer. And the answer is no. Sweat does not directly help any kind of growth. However, indirectly, it does. In two main ways that I'd love to go into more details in a second, but to give you guys the answer, number one, it's going to increase the circulation to the surface of the skin where the hair and beard growth happens. With that increased circulation, you get more hydration and more nutrients, which both are key for beard growth. So that's big. And then secondly, equally as important, when you sweat, that is a function of our body's natural detox process. When you do that, it cleans out your pores. It is pushing out things that can clog pores and slow growth. Now, as long as you are properly washing and caring for yourself after sweating, then that absolutely does help the growth as well. Now, if you are sweating and you're not washing afterwards, all you're doing is pushing that stuff out of the pores and then leaving the salt, sodium, the dirt, the pollutants, the life, the allergens sitting on the surface, which will clog the pores. So I do need to make sure I make that clear. You do need to wash. We'll dive into some more details and thoughts in just a second. And I promise this actually isn't a long video, but to introduce myself for anybody new here, my name is Dan C. Bearded. Thank you for checking this video out. I love diving into all angles of beards and beard care and beard grooming and styling. If that sounds good to you guys, please hit a quick thumbs up on the video and consider subscribing if you're already not. We are getting very close to 100K, which is a massive goal and will help this channel, which will help get this information and confidence and beard, I don't know, whatever you want to call it, out to more people. If you can help at all, it is appreciated. Shout out to those returning subscribers. So this does kind of make sense. If we were to look at the best growth for time of the year, for almost everybody, it's their warmest months. Now, there's exceptions of like the extreme heat areas or the areas that, of course, are always like, Dan, it's always summer. I got you. But for most people, the summer is their best beard growth because they're active. They're moving. Their testosterone is up. That's good for your beard. The healthier you are, the healthier your beard is. Well, one of the side effects of being healthier and being active and being out in the summer is sweating. And beards do grow better in the summer when we are active, so we know that it's likely not hurting it. But when you take it a step further and you think about why, it does make sense. And I do say indirectly, but man, if you sweating is going to clean out the pores, that helps growth. It's going to bring nutrients and hydration that helps growth. I want to say that's flirting with directly impacting your beard growth and helping it. So just know if you're sweating, if you're someone that's working out daily, you're a heavy sweater, you don't have to worry about it hurting your beard as long as you're washing daily. And I'm a big proponent of that, as you guys know. Just make sure you get a good quality daily gentle beard wash and get all of that stuff off your beard, but you're pushing it through your body. You're getting it away from the hair follicle that is an environment needed for growth. I thought this was a really cool kind of like mental course of figuring out whether this helped or not. So to wrap this up, do you guys have any questions about sweat and beard growth? Do you have any other similar questions? Because it literally was one person asking me, and now it's a whole video. I would love to dive into other angles that you're just like, you know what, Dan, I had a random thought one day. Put it here, safe place. You know what, Dan, this one's been nagging me and I never found an answer. Put it in the comments. I would love to explore some other areas, especially if you guys are interested. So thank you for watching. Thank you as we creep closer to 100K. Dan C. Bearded one more time. Please stay bearded and stay positive.